Please welcome Hannah from Uganda. Wow, Hannah, a well-deserved ovation there. I think a lot of people won't realize just how personal this is to you and why you've started to be involved in this project. Perhaps you can explain.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Literally, I've been looking at my project backstage and I was crying. A 7-year-old me wouldn't expect to see myself here because I was worried about getting married at a very young age. But I had a very supportive dad who supported me to see that I acquire quality education. I believe so many parents can do that to support a girl child, to see that they achieve quality education. And that is what I would want to see for all the girls, not only in Africa, but the world at large.
And of course, you actually, I think you lost your